We're often asked, how do I get to the front page of Google? The problem is everybody wants to be on the front page, so competition can be fierce. However, there are certain things you can do on your website to improve your website's rankings on search engines. The first thing you can do is to customize your metadata or meta tags. Meta tags are invisible pieces of code that search engines like Google use to determine what your website is all about. For each product and category, you can customize these meta tags with your keywords that your potential customers are likely to type into Google when they're looking for your products. This is easy using the e-commerce system provided by 123 Online. In order to put these meta tags into your product listing, click on the Catalog tab and click on the product you want to add the metadata to. Scroll down to where it says click here to improve products rank in search engines (SEO). This reveals fields for meta title, meta description, meta keywords, and a friendly URL. The meta title is what you want to appear at the top of the page. If this is left blank, the default meta title will simply be the name of the product. You may want to restate the name of the product and include some keywords here. The description should be 1 to 2 sentences explaining the product. This is what shows up on the Google's listing page. You'd want to keep this short and include some keywords that your potential customers are likely to be using to find your product. The keywords field should include about 10 to 12 related keywords that your potential customers may type in to find your product. You just need to separate these keywords or key phrases by commas. For some ideas on what keywords to use, visit the link in the video tutorial notes below. This page will give you a list of related keywords and phrases that you can copy over to this field. Just remember, separate each term with a comma and keep it relevant for that product. The friendly URL refers to the web address of your product. You want to keep this keyword relevant. For example, if you're selling iPod headphones, call it iPod headphones. What we've just described can not only be done for each product, but for each category as well. All you'll need to do is click on the Catalog tab, then click on the Edit button next to the category you want to add the metadata to. Simply add the metadata into these fields here. Then when finished, click on Save. You may also want to customize the metadata of your homepage. Of all the pages, this is the most important page to add metadata to. To do so, simply click on Page SEO from the Quick Access menu. Next to index.php, which is your site's homepage, click on the Edit button and fill in the title, meta description, and keyword data here. When you're done, click Save. In the Page SEO section, you can also customize other key pages like the New Products page, Manufacturer page, and Specials page. Here are a few other tips. Importantly, the other thing you'll want to do is to actually add a lot of keywords to the product descriptions as well. This will have a major influence on how your products come up in Google. Google also rewards websites that update consistently with high Google rankings. By regularly updating your website with new products and new information, this will have a major impact on your rankings as well. The other thing to do is to ensure that your website is listed on other websites and directories. For example, go to www.nzs.com and get a free listing. Write to other companies in your industry and ask for a link to your website on their website. This is called link building. Google uses the measure of how many other websites link to your website as a measure of your website's popularity or credibility on the internet. In general, the more websites that link to yours, the better. So you should submit your website to as many relevant search engine directories as you possibly can find. The discussed tips should definitely help your rankings on Google. But if you're still not getting the kind of rankings you'd like to see after a month or so, contact support and let us know your requirements. We've got a great partner company in the search engine optimization sector that we can put you in touch with, and they can help you achieve your goals from there.